This is Zlogar of Zlogar Forensics. I'm an audio forensic expert. I'm going to share with you a before and after example of continuous broadband noise. This broadband noise spreads across a broad range of frequencies. Visually, continuous broadband noise will appear as the salt and pepper signatures on a spectrogram display. It is important to be careful when removing continuous broadband noise to make sure not to touch any vocal information. It's all about a careful balance between the voice and the noise behind. Listen to the before forensic audio enhancement. Now listen to the after enhancement.